If you're installing a double cab door check reinforcement plate kit, you may find that the rear doors are a little tight to get in there. Most people are having problems where it's actually rubbing on the inside of the door. There's a little bulge right on this edge that could be catching as you're trying to push the plate in. The plates are sized specifically to that dimension just to try to reinforce it as much as possible. If you have problems getting it in, it may help to slightly close the door. Take care not to close it too much so that the studs completely fall in the door, and then reposition it. So as you can see there, door plate's already caught, and if I actually open it slightly, you can see that it just kind of frees up almost entirely at that point. And then to put it back on, I'm just going to push it back into place here. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oops. Get it lined up, and there we go. Again, it's not the easiest thing in the world. There's a bit of a trick to it, but just slightly close the door. Take care not to have the studs go all the way in the door. If they do, it's not a big deal. You just have to jiggle the door check until it lines back up. But once you do that, you should be able to bolt it right up.